If you are looking for a working hosting or coupon code in 2026, stop what you are doing and click the link in my description before you do anything else. I am making this video because I am tired of seeing people overpay for hosting. The second you click it, the system recognizes you came from me, and it applies the highest possible discount instantly. No copying, no pasting, no stress. You just click, and the deal is active. But here is the secret step that 90% of people miss. When you click my link and land on the pricing page, the prices already look pretty good, right? But do not stop there. Go ahead and select your plan. If you are building a serious site, I highly recommend the premium plan. It is the best value for beginners and pros alike because it includes everything you need. Now proceed to checkout. Watch the screen carefully. This is where the magic happens. Because you used my link, an extra discount kicks in. The price drops by nearly another 20%. If you skipped my link and went directly to their site, that extra discount never shows up. You would be paying more for the exact same thing. And what are you actually getting? Hostinger is genuinely great. You get one-click WordPress installation, a free domain name for the first year, free SSL security to keep your visitors safe, free automatic backups, and they even have an AI website builder now if you do not want to build it yourself. These deals change constantly, so do not wait on this. I will see you in the next video.